Elon Musk has officially revealed the new Tesla engine's mind-blowing features. With this most recent advancement, the world is going to become a lot crazier. Are you wondering what Musk has come up with? Let's find out. Welcome to our channel, guys. In today's video, we'll discuss Elon Musk's new engine that has stunned everybody. Before that, do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Speaking of the stunning new features in the motor, the brand new insane motor has been completely altered and is not even close to resembling the traditional motors we are used to operating. Now that's the kind of change we wanted. The process of innovation has just become much more complex with the arrival of this new electric motor. This man's brilliant intellect is the reason Tesla has successfully managed to dominate the industry. Musk took his imagination and transformed an idea into an innovation. We were already quite stunned with the AI bot and semi-trucks, but now Musk has returned with yet another incredible invention. So are you ready for all the amazing changes that have been made to Tesla vehicles? We've got to agree that the electric motor is one of science's most brilliant innovations. It has powered every technology and actively fueled the Industrial Revolution, which has brought about some puzzling changes in the world. For those of you who don't know, the stator and rotator are the two fundamental components of an electric motor, with the end rings that make up the rotator housed within the stator. As its name suggests, the rotator, which is a spinning part of the AC motor, is installed on the shaft and has an important role. The rotor rotates the motor shaft, while the end rings of the rotor connect the short-circuit conducting bars. So, in order to strengthen it, the stator also includes a little buff blocket at the bottom that is securely fastened to the rotor. You need to unbolt the 18 pieces of equipment to be able to inspect the stator and rotor. On the other hand, the stator has a magnetic field produced by the three-phase AC and coils and is driven by a three-phase AC supply. What Musk has created, in contrast to this conventional structure, is something surprising that no one could have ever imagined. This insane creation is a modernized version of the common motor and stator system that researchers have been utilizing for years. Instead of a three-phase supply, this cutting-edge technology generates a four-pole magnetic field and delivers a current. Electricity is generated by these four-pole magnetic fields, which transform the rotor bars into an induction motor. Moreover, in a stronger system, like the stator speed, the rotating magnetic field is always greater than the motor speed. As we all know, Musk enjoys defying conventional thinking and commonly held beliefs. In the new engine, he has altered the idea of permanent magnets and brushes. The tech billionaire has developed an engine without brushes and permanent magnets as part of his ongoing effort to develop game-changing breakthroughs that will change the world. However, the frequency of the AC power supply controls the rotational speed of this induction motor. So that way, you don't need to be concerned about altering the power source's frequency because it can be easily changed. But it is not only the stator and rotor of the engine that Musk has modified. There are other components too. While refining each innovation, Musk has also altered the engine's rotational speed. To adjust the pace at which the wheels spin, Tesla provides a speed control that is very simple to use and totally reliable. These motors can spin between 0 and 18,000 revolutions per minute. The battery pack supplies power to the induction motor, but because the source produces DC power, AC power must first be converted before it can be sent to the motor. This is why the engine is an inverter, which is used to change the frequency of AC power. Musk has made it possible to control the engine's speed by just altering the amplitude of the AC motor. No one can deny how insane Musk's modifications are. But as we all know, no one can really grasp Musk's genius mind. The experts were shocked to hear about the excellent modifications, but when they learned about the design of the new batteries in the engine, they were left stunned. An interesting battery design. The news that Musk has not changed the design of the standard battery system shocked everyone. He preserved the traditional lithium-ion battery technology, even though his mind has been screaming about diamond batteries for so long. This new engine's battery packs are made up of a large number of standard lithium-ion battery cells. Musk changed the battery's orientation, which seems to be yet another cutting-edge component. Musk connected them in a series and parallel way while altering the orientation. This brilliant engine also has a glycol coolant that circulates between the cells through tubes made of metal to keep the temperature consistent. This sets out the motor's engineering as being far better than any other engine. Musk revealed how he changed the design of the carbon-wrapped motor after modifying the battery, speed, and stator. The carbon-wrapped motor, an electric motor that Tesla just developed, aims to create motors that are more lightweight, powerful, and affordable. These motors are small enough to be carried by one person and powerful enough to spin at insane RPMs, which will someday completely transform the automotive sector. The Tesla Model Plate has proved to be the greatest so far, since it includes 3 electric motors, 2 of which are in the rear axle and 1 in the front. In addition, the new carbon-wrapped motors of this insane engine has permanent magnetic synchronous machines and carbon fiber-wrapped rotors. It was the first time a carbon-wrapped motor of this strength and lightness was produced by the vehicle industry. And if that weren't enough, the engine's wheeling parts for the blade have also just been produced, and a carbon fiber cover keeps all of the rotors linked, increasing rotational speed by up to 20,000 RPM. You might be surprised to find that this crazy engine is around 25% quicker than the one before. Despite always prevailing in the market, there have been a few concerns concerning the Tesla model. You may be familiar with the issue of power loss as speed rises if you own a Tesla car. So what really happens is that the cars either move slowly or lost power. Even Musk admitted in one of the interviews that he was trying to improve the vehicle's slow pace. Musk, who aspires for perfection, improved this. The Plate offers a solution to the EV issue, particularly in direct-drive gearbox cars where power declines considerably with increasing speed. According to Tesla, this invention enables the car to maintain 1,000 to 1,020 horsepower up to a speed of 200 miles per hour. Along with all of this, Musk also included a function that no one had ever considered: an innovation concept to reinvent the industry. The finest feature of this automobile has not yet been revealed. The most recent Tesla model, with the more potent engine, will not only have more power, but it will also be lighter. The vehicle will be 175 pounds lighter than the model's performance version while having more power. The last one weighed 4,848 pounds. This one will be much lighter. Furthermore, it is capable of traveling at a speed of around 152.6 miles per hour. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in only 1.98 seconds after the thrilling launch. Despite the engine's incredible characteristics, what counts is how the automobile will feel when you ride in them. Musk has reached the pinnacles of achievement because of his consistent efforts. The man has also broadened his thinking and has set the pattern of thinking beyond the box to come up with something exceptional. All of this explains the development of this new crazy motor engine. The world is eagerly waiting for Musk to transform the world with this most recent disclosure by making these engines widely accessible on the market. There are rumors that this new engine won't just be accessible to the privileged people, despite the fact that Elon Musk is a humanitarian who always puts moral ideas first. So it will be available to everyone on the planet. Let's see how many other gigafactories Musk establishes to make them easily accessible to the public, or how many further steps he would take to streamline the production process to lower the price of this amazing motor engine. So what do you think about all the upcoming modifications? Let us know in the comment section below. And while you do that, do not forget to give us a like, share, and do subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.